Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft remote host error. It's easy if you want to fix it. uh, Go to control panel, then if you find it like that, just make it small icons and then go to Java. Now go to advanced, scroll down all the way down until you find advanced security settings and enable first option, then apply and OK. And after that, go back and then restart your PC and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then go to apps and features, then type here Minecraft and go to Microsoft Studios, and then go to advanced options and click here repair. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.